Yushin was founded in 1973 in Kyoto, Japan. A few years later, the first takeout robots for plastic molded products were sold. Over the decades, Yushin became a global leader in the field of takeout robots and downstream automation. Resulting from continuing research and development efforts, we have produced innovative new technologies which enable our customers to maintain a competitive advantage in their local and global markets. We remain committed to serving the needs of our customers through quick-to-market product development and a global business network. Yushin has subsidiaries across the globe to service and support our growing international customer base. We strive to improve productivity and increase operational efficiencies by continually expanding. We now have manufacturing and technical centers located throughout North America, Asia, and Europe. Yushin relentlessly reinforces our position as a market leader by developing the best and brightest human resources and maintaining a competitive edge with pricing and product performance. Yushin America Incorporated was established in 1988 to support North American sales. Yushin America's United States headquarters occupies over 70,000 square feet in Cranston, Rhode Island. This space is dedicated to designing and manufacturing robots and custom automated solutions for our customers. Everything, beginning with the initial concept through design and build to final testing, packaging, and shipping, takes place under one roof. This enables Yushin to efficiently manage each and every aspect of order fulfillment, from concept through installation, as well as every stage of support and investment management. Each Yushin robot sold has a riser and may include an adapter plate for mounting to your injection molding machine. These mounting components are engineered, fabricated, inspected, and painted at Yushin. Our state-of-the-art machine shop is currently outfitted with CNC machining centers, conventional machines, a full-service weld shop, a paint shop, and many tons of raw materials. Additional equipment is always being added to increase the efficiency of the machine shop. At any given time, Yushin America has sufficient inventory to build the robots needed to satisfy current demand. Having this level of inventory allows us to keep lead time short. Yushin's current production team has the capability of building over 50 robots per month from its U.S. headquarters. The robot components are pulled from inventory, rough assembled, and transferred to final assembly. Yushin America has many assembly stands to keep production moving. With a full complement of certified production technicians on the primary manufacturing floor, there is always capacity to fulfill an order. After a series of preliminary quality procedural checks, each robot must run for several thousand cycles to ensure quality and trouble-free operation. After the successful runoff is complete, the quality checklist is completed and the robot is moved to the packing area. At this time, all other components, such as risers, adapter plates, transformers, interface cables, safety guards, and end-of-arm tools are prepared for final delivery. The robot is mounted on a shipping sked, and the additional components are packaged, photographed, and mounted alongside the robot. In some cases, a robot will be transported to the system's runoff area for integration with custom downstream equipment or custom end-of-arm tooling. Yushin America has the capability to have the customer's mold and, in some cases, the molding machine shipped to our Cranston facility to completely run off and validate a cell before it ships. We have extensive experience with end-of-arm tooling design and custom downstream automation. Everything from simple pick-and-place end-of-arm tooling to extremely complex assembly or insert molding applications. We frequently produce fully automated systems that may incorporate bowl feeders, part inspection, conveying, packaging, 6-axis robots, multi-robot cells, and in-mold labeling applications, both large and small. Yushin has partnered with many customers to increase their productivity and lower their manufacturing cost. It all starts with a plan. After an order is received and entered into our business system, the order transitions to the engineering group with a kickoff meeting. In this meeting, the initial concept, long lead components, risk, installation, training plan, and schedules are discussed. An initial project management plan is established, which results in a smoother project flow, lower risk, and a greater probability of successful installation and qualification at your facility. This plan includes the following: completing detailed system specification sheets, Yushin America has created a comprehensive standardized project specification form that has been developed and refined over many years. Specific elements of the project are added into the form, which allow you and the engineer project manager to have a good visual working document. We have found that trouble is avoided by having everyone involved the opportunity to contribute to solid, detailed specifications and expectations at the beginning of a project. A detailed project management Gantt chart is developed showing all major tasks and milestones. You will have access to the Gantt chart and can follow the progress of the project in real time. This permits you and Yushin to react quickly to any action items that are required, or if any major milestones show a potential to slip. During the initial design review, the engineering group finalizes the concepts, analyzes risks, schedules any prototyping that may be required, schedules your visits to Yushin if required, and orders long lead items. Concepts and critical assembly drawings are presented with the layout drawings of the overall cell layout. Next, the FMEA, which is the Failure Mode Effects Analysis, is conducted. This is the most critical phase of the project management, as each move and operation is analyzed and potential failures are identified and addressed. Complete project specifications are derived from this analysis. The FMEA is completed using a worksheet that has been assembled over the past 30 years of project experience. After you review the initial concepts, FMEA results and finalizes the specification. The approval for final design and detail and manufacturing can begin. At this point, you can offer input for operator interaction, error recovery, and additional involvement of manufacturing processes upstream or downstream. The entire team will fully understand exactly what will be delivered. Yushin will next issue mechanical layout drawings, electrical schematics, and software sequences for approval. Your approval confirms that everything meets your company's objectives and identifies any variances before the project is built. At the completion of the project, you are always invited to Yushin to view the runoff of the equipment per the required runoff specifications and authorize the equipment for shipment. Any issues are identified and resolved prior to shipping. Additionally, a recommended spare parts kit list is generated at this time. Yushin also offers sprue pickers and servo-pneumatic hybrid robots. Much like the servo robots, the sprue pickers are assembled on a stand, options are added, and the units are run off. After the runoff is completed, the sprue pickers are boxed up and shipped. Yushin America hosts monthly training courses covering robot operation, robot programming, and robot maintenance. Those classes are available at our Cranston facility, remote locations, or at your facility. We also have created an intuitive online training resource named Yushin University that provides a certification when successfully completing each module. This online training curriculum uses professionally produced videos that permits training at your facility, at your convenience, and at your pace. Simply watch the training videos, take the test, and get certified. It's that easy. Yushin University is great for new hires, refresher training, or to identify areas where more training may be required in order to improve workplace efficiencies and productivity. If you are having any problems or just have a technical question, you can call into one of our factory-trained and certified technicians to help you through your troubles. Our experienced techs will guide you through the troubleshooting process over the phone or via email and get you back up and running. They will quickly help to determine the root cause of your problems and assist you with getting replacement parts, repair, or a visit from an on-site technician. You can get help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including holidays. If you need a part, chances are very good we have it in stock and can get it to you overnight. Our ERP system keeps a close watch on inventory levels and automatically orders replacement parts when low-level limits are met. Yushin's parts department is manned by experienced people ready to field your phone calls, emails, or web requests. You can rest easy knowing that any downtime will be kept to a minimum with Yushin America's vast inventory levels. Sometimes replacement is not required. Let our repair department get your damaged controller back up and running. Everything from a cracked controller screen to a full-blown robot refurbishment can be accomplished in our repair department. No job too big or small for this team. Yushin has a team of certified technicians across the country ready to help you when you need it. They can assist you with new installations, asset relocations from other facilities, robot modifications, and trouble calls. Get the most out of your equipment. Have a Yushin field service tech come in to perform a preventative maintenance routine or upgrade your equipment. Our technicians can also take care of on-site training needs. In 2014, Yushin Mexico was open to serve the needs of our customers there. Selling several hundred units per year in Mexico, it is essential to have a local staff available for service and support. Yushin Mexico currently stocks complete robots for quick delivery needs, as well as critical spare parts to reduce downtime and provide critical support. We hope this walkthrough has answered many of your questions and provided additional insight into our North American headquarters and Yushin's technological superiority. To speak to a Yushin sales representative, please visit YushinAmerica.com or call us today at 401-463-1800.